Welcome to Market Insights, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of finance, tech, and the tools that help us navigate them. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we're diving into the capabilities of an exciting Python library called yfinance. Have you ever wondered how you can easily access financial market data right from your code? Well, let's break this down together. So picture this. You want to examine the stock market. Maybe you're looking at big names like Microsoft, Apple, or Google. The conventional approach would have you combing through multiple websites, seeking out the right data. But what if I told you there's a simpler, more efficient way to do it? That's where yfinance enters the scene. Now, yfinance is an open-source library that provides Python developers with a way to access Yahoo Finance's public APIs. However, and this is important, just a quick legal disclaimer, it's not affiliated with Yahoo Inc. Make sure you're aware of Yahoo's terms of use when you go diving into this treasure trove of data. All right, let's jump into what makes yfinance so handy. First off, installation is a breeze. A simple command using pip, and you're off to the races. Here's where the fun begins, with the ticker module. Imagine you want to get historical stock data for Microsoft. Instead of scouring Yahoo's site, you simply type a few lines of code. You initiate your ticker object by importing yfinance and doing something like this. msft equals yf.ticker msft. Then you can fetch all sorts of information, including historical market data and even dividends. It's like having a financial assistant right in your Python environment. Oh, and get this, beyond just stock prices, you can also access dividends, splits, and other crucial financial actions just by calling msft.actions, msft.dividends, and more. It's almost like having your own personal financial dashboard. Super convenient, right? But it doesn't stop there. Let's explore the sector and industry modules. Perhaps you're interested in tech stocks, not just Microsoft, but an entire sector like software. You can easily pull in all top-performing companies and top ETFs right from the sector you're examining. The world of finance at your fingertips. And here's a little trick. If you're working with multiple tickers, you can fetch data for more than one stock simultaneously with yf.tickers msft aapl goog. Imagine running your analysis on all three giants in one go. It's efficient and saves a ton of time. Now let's talk about the Market Screener feature. That's where you can set custom queries to filter stocks based on specific criteria, from price movements to market caps. This opens up a world of possibility for investors looking to hone in on the exact opportunities that meet their strategy. Before we wrap up this tech journey, there are some best practices you should know. Using session caching with requests cache helps to minimize the load on the Yahoo server and prevents trigger-happy rate limits. Trust me, that's a game changer, especially if you plan to run extensive data analysis over time. Now, as we consider the vast potential of yfinance and the ways it can support both individual investors and analysts, I want to leave you with a question. How do you think this kind of technology will shape our approach to investing in the future? Will it democratize access to financial data, or will it create new barriers? That's all for today's episode of Market Insights. We've uncovered how yfinance can help anyone from casual traders to seasoned investors gather deep insights into the stock market. As always, thanks for listening, and until next time, keep exploring the world of finance.